Hi everyone, here we've got OPPO Reno 4 Lite, and let me show you how to enable night mode, eye comfort mode. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's find the display and brightness option. And as you can see, on the third position we've got eye comfort mode. If you want to turn it on right now, just tap on the switcher here. And as you can see, the screen turns yellowish, and it is in order to filter the blue light. If you want to customize this mode, simply tap on eye comfort, and here we've got some options to personalize. First of all, on the first position we've got the always on option, so we can decide if we want our device to make the eye comfort mode always active. Under it we've got the schedule time option, so in order to turn it on, just tap here, and here we can choose the start time and end time. Simply tap here, and by swiping choose the start time and end time, and it will be immediately applied after setting it. Let me turn it off, and let's turn on always on. And as you can see here, we can adjust the intensity of that feature. It's up to you how you want to set it. Let me leave it like this, for example. And under it we've got display effects, so we can set the color, so the screen will be yellow but you will be able to still see the colors, or we can set black and white. Let's tap here, and as you can see, the whole screen, the whole menu will be in the black and white colors. But let me get back and let's set the color. And actually this is it. This is how to customize the eye comfort mode. If you want to have much faster access to this feature, simply unroll the top bar, and let's find the eye comfort icon. As you can see, now it is turned on. In order to turn it off, just tap on it. And as you can see, the screen turns to its normal state. So that's all. This is how to enable eye comfort mode in your OPPO Reno 4 Lite. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.